Best LED Headlights. We collect top 6 best LED headlights. Among the whole brand, Smart Reviews is the best channel for reviews. Please subscribe and share and click below description link for more details. LEDs, or light-emitting diodes, have been around since the 1920s when it was first discovered by a Russian scientist. The LED has been used in various light applications since then because of its power efficiency to emit bright light on a small amount of energy. LEDs are used in many electrical appliances, streetlights, signage and car tail and headlights. Because of its versatility and ability to emit bright light even on small batteries, it is now used in flashlights. The best LED flashlights in the market may be a bit expensive than the traditional flashlights, but they can be worth the extra money when it comes to the brightness and durability of the LED flashlights. Most LED flashlights will run on AA or AAA batteries and can last longer than the traditional flashlights. Some batteries even use lithium batteries for a longer runtime. There are also LED flashlights that come with rechargeable batteries. And because of the LED's capability to be energy efficient, you may not need to replace the batteries as often, unlike with the traditional incandescent bulb flashlights. LED flashlights also light up much faster than incandescent bulbs. From the time that you switch it on, it emits the strong light that you need. With traditional incandescent bulbs, it may take seconds before the bulb gives it full luminescence. The LED bulbs also don't burn out easily. It may take years before the LED bulb gives out, so you don't have to buy extra bulbs in case the bulbs get busted like